Alright guys, welcome back. Here is a quiz that I made on May 24th. This is a final project that I produced in Python. So basically what this is, we use multiple loops, a conditional loop right here with while, else, and if. Very similar to what we did in the previous tutorials. We use a bunch of print statements. And I've basically taken all this quiz and cut it down to only make sure it's 2 questions, so it's somewhat easier to follow. I know it looks a little hectic there right now, but this will be straightforward now once I get into it and recreate it with you guys. So on the side we see, welcome to David's quiz. Do you think you can get both questions right and score 100%? Good luck. Basically it prompts you, are you ready to play, yes or no? And over here we'll type in yes or no. Alright, let's build it. Alright guys, welcome back. Today what we're going to do is we are going to build the quiz that I was just showing you. And we're going to start out by listing our name. And our annotated quiz. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with multiple print statements. So, welcome to my quiz. Do you think you can get 100%? Print. Good luck. So, those are basically what we're going to start with. That's what's going to prompt us on the right hand side in what we consider, I guess, our console. Ask user if they are ready to play. And here we're going to get the user input. Are you ready to play? From there, I need to go back and edit this because we need to give the user an option if they are ready to play or they are not ready to play. All right. So now we're going to create what we'll call their score and total questions. Is going to be 2. We're just going to have 2 questions just so it's not too long. So we need to create a conditional loop for both questions. If answer lower So this is our first loop being created here now. And right now we're going to basically introduce question 1. So answer equals input. And now basically what we're going to do is we're going to create our question. So our question that I previously used is, what is Spider-Man's real name? quotation back here. So, what is Spider-Man's real name? From there, answer 1 is going to be equal to what the actual answer is. So, Peter Parker. So basically what we're creating here is a score because we created it up here with the total number of questions. So if someone is to get this answer right, then they'll get +1 to their score by me creating this. Plus equals 1. Print. Print correct answer. And then say if the person was to get the question wrong, we have the else statement here to print incorrect answer. Try again. Just like so. And then below this, we'll say ants equals input bracket All right, there we go. So basically what we just created there is our first conditional loop. So we have a while statement and we have an else statement. And basically the while statement is what creates our conditional loop. And the if statement where we see if ants lower on line 21 right here is what creates a correct answer, and else is what's going to create our wrong answer for when someone doesn't pick the right answer or doesn't type in the right answer when they're prompted to. Alright, so I've since added in a second question that follows the exact same format as the first question. So here we are. So what is David's favorite hockey team? So after that, we are going to add Mark, which is another variable, score questions. That will give us our mark out of 100%, even though we do only have 2 questions. And finally, we are going to print good job as our final output. Alright, so now what we can do is we can hit run. Alright, so now we are prompted to welcome to David's quiz. Do you think you can get 100%? Good luck, yes or no. So I'll type in, yes, I'm ready. What is Spider-Man's real name? Peter Parker. Correct answer, it tells me, which is good. What is David's favorite hockey team? The Buffalo Sabres. Correct. So it tells me I got 100% on my quiz, and good job. I hope that this helps you guys. The second part, again, is not recorded in our video because it's literally the exact same as this. You can take it, use it again as another question. You can copy the whole thing. Apologies. Copy the whole thing there. Take that, bring that down, paste it underneath, and create more questions for your quiz. That's what I did. Alright, guys, I hope this was helpful. And I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys can go and create your own quiz now.